What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Timmy Turner from the Fairly Odd Parents. Let's begin our lesson in the center of the page and draw a circle for the left eye. We're going to start from the very top in the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and back up towards the top. Now I want to draw a smaller circle in the inside, going all the way around and then back up. Let's go to the bottom of the eye, move over towards the right. We're going to draw the nose. We're going to bend this up, come around, and then in. Now let's bend the lip, going out and then up. Let's curve the mouth. We come all the way down, round out the mouth, and just pull that up towards the outside. Now we're going to open up the mouth, starting back on the left, come down, round out the mouth, and then bend that up. Now underneath the mouth in the center, we're going to draw the teeth. Let's draw a half oval, coming down and up, and we'll split the teeth in half. Now from the outside of the mouth, we're going to step in, draw a straight angle line coming up underneath the teeth, and then all the way over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve for the tongue, coming in and then down. Now we're going to go back up and draw on the right eye. We want to draw that same size circle, starting from the top of the nose. We're going to come in, go all the way around, and just tuck this in behind the nose. And again, we draw a smaller circle in the center for the pupil. Let's add in the eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, we draw a straight angle line going up and then in. On the ends, go straight up towards the top of the eyebrow, and we'll flatten this off. Now over on the right side, we go straight across, just on top of the eye. Go up the sides, and we'll flatten off the top. Now in between the eyebrows, let's draw a straight line going across toward the left. Let's continue that line along the outside to right about there. And I want to come straight down towards the ear. Let's draw a circle. Go all the way around. I want to leave a gap on the inside. And then from the bottom of the ear, draw a straight angled line coming down and then in towards the body. Now let's go back to the right side of the eyebrow. We're going to curve the head. We're going to go all the way around, come down across the cheek, and then in towards that bottom point. Let's go back to the top of the ear, draw a straight angled line going across the back of the head. Now I want to draw the edge of the hat. I want to bend this around and then up towards the top. Let's tuck the hair in behind the hat. So we're going to step down, curve this up, and across towards the tip. Just at a point, coming back down. And go all the way across towards the end of the hair, and come down towards the end to right about there. Now let's just tuck this up underneath the eyebrow, coming up and then in. Now I want to go back and wrap the hat brim around the head. So we're just going to round at the top and then come down. Let's go back up to the top, bend this out, and then come down about halfway. Now I want to add a fold, so we're going to step back up, we're going to flop the hat, coming down the curve, now bend that back up towards the edge of the head, and then on the end, we're going to draw a small circle. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the left arm, starting underneath the head, come straight down, go across the sleeve, and then go straight up. Let's tuck the arm in underneath, starting on the left side, and draw a straight line coming down towards the wrist. Now we're going to angle the hand, going up and then out. Let's round out the hand, coming down and then in. We're just going to pull that straight up underneath the sleeve. Now on the left side, we want to split the fingers with two straight angled lines. Now I'm going to go underneath the hand, angle the leg coming down towards the bottom of the foot. Straight across towards the right. Now I want to curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up and then in, and a curve going up and then down towards the right heel. Now I want to do the same thing. We're going to start by flattening off the foot, going out, curve the foot, coming up and then in. I'm going to draw a straight angled line going up underneath the head, and I'll separate the bottom of the shirt with a straight line. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Timmy Turner from the Fairly Odd Parents. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.